What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at a case made for the brand new Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick up this case yourself, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so here is the case. It is a matte black. It's got a really nice feel to it. Looks pretty slim. And I do also have a tempered glass screen protector on my phone right now as well. Alright, so here is the case itself. Feels good in the hand. It's kind of like a smooth rubber. Buttons, easily accessible and clicky. Very nice. If we look at the side here, you can see that there is a slight raised edge on the bottom and the top to keep your screen protected. I also do have a tempered glass screen protector on here already, so it's good to know that there is still some protection for that. As you can see, it does not add a lot of bulk to the phone. And then if we look on the back here, it's got this nice matte feel to it. It's pretty smooth, very nice. And another really interesting thing is it has a little cover for your cameras. So in case you're worried about your lenses ever getting scratched or damaged, all you need to do is simply close this little door and you never have to worry about that again. So that is pretty cool. And then if you want to take pictures, you just slide it over to the other side. That's pretty unique. I haven't seen any other cases do that. If we look on the bottom here, as you can see, there's your cutouts. The little S Pen is easily accessible. And if you're wondering if it works with wireless charging, no issues there either. So that is a very cool case. I like the little buttons on the side here. They have like that little serrated edge on it to find it a lot easier. And then they separate the volume buttons, which everybody knows that I love. So again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this case up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Later.